Hi, today we're gonna learn about the variables. In JavaScript or any other programming language, variable is really important. So variable. So what is variable? So variable is a like a store where we can store our values, right? So and yeah, and there's just some rules that we have to follow when we are declaring a variable. So first thing first, whenever you are declaring a variable, you should have to name the variable, right? And so naming your variable is normal, but before declaring variable we have three uh, three keywords we can use to declare our variable. First thing first, bar, which says variable. So let's say bar name. This is our variable one, and you see var. So this is how we declare a variable, right? We just declared it. We didn't assign anything. So if we try to run this code, if we try to print this var name, it will show us undefined. Okay, so so var is that you can declare it once and you can change it again, like say var equal to 1 0, then I can again say var name is equal to 2. It will not complain, it is okay, it's okay. But so there's a problem. Let's say if I create another one with the same name, it doesn't complain. It's like it's okay. This is var, this is also var name variable, this is variable. Though both of them are same, but they think it's different. Okay. So to solve this issue, we have let. What does let do? If we declare a variable like say um, my name my name, we already declared that variable with the let. Okay, so we can assign it later, like my name equal to string, anything, a page. Okay, if we try one more time to declare my name again, it will complain that you already declared this variable my name, you can't declare it again. So what's the issue in here is that with the bar we can name two variables same name, which might be confusing, because if we say, if I ask which is the value of bar name, you can say 0, another person can say 2, both of them right. But with the programming logic it can't be right. If okay, so let's solve this issue with that. If you have one name, yeah, you can assign my name one more time. It's okay, it's completely okay if you change. See, now if I ask you what's the name, you can say there's nothing, there's fh, there's 0. So last thing is the value of my name. Okay, and so here's another confusion. Now this is a string, this is int, right? But what's the difference? So we can assign it with the let. Then we have const. Const say my my address. Okay, so in my address, whenever I try to declare a variable with const, if I have to declare it or assign it right away. Okay, if I don't assign it, it will complain. You see, in here it doesn't complain. uh, this one it doesn't complain, but this one does, because const means consent. So we have to assign it and we can't change it anymore. Say my add is equal to 0. Okay, no, we can't do that. We have to declare it in here. So my add 0, and we can't change it again. It will not change. If we run this code, it's gonna give me an error. Okay, this line will give me an error because, oh my bad, it's the same thing. So if I change the value, no, it's still the same thing. This line is gonna give me an error because const, if we declare a variable with the const, we can't change the value. In here we can change the value, but we can't duplicate the name. With the var we can change the value, we can reassign it, we can do everything. And yeah, so whenever you are declaring any variable, you have to always have to focus on the camel case. It says camel case. What is the camel case? What is the camel case? If you notice carefully, all my variable start with the small letter. Then if it goes to the next word, I always use capital letter. So this one in here is we call camel casing. Okay, camel casing the variable. Whenever we are trying to declare a variable, we use camel case. So we have bar, lat, const for declaring variables. Then we have camel case, which helps us to properly set the name of our variable. Then we have the assigning. We already know now, if I'm trying to assign my name equal to 2, so this thing will assign. So this operator is called assigned operator when you are using it on the variable. So this is assigned variable. Okay, assignment operator. Okay, assignment operator, this thing. Okay, so what we learned today is, let's again, we can declare a variable with 3 keywords: var, lat, const. Var, we can change the value, we can rename, we can duplicate the name, everything. But with the lat, we can reassign the variable, but we can't do the duplication, right? We can't declare another variable with the same name. And the cost, we can't declare another variable, we can't reassign it. Basically we can't do anything with this variable. It's permanent. Okay, that's it for today. And with the camel case, we have to follow the camel case whenever we're trying to declare a variable. Then we have the assignment operator that helps us to assign the variable. And that's it for today.